Hey, what's going on out there? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and this video we are going to look at how to make your websites GDPR compliant using the Builderall platform. So Builderall has made it super easy to comply with the GDPR updated email policy. I'm sure you've uh, got the numerous emails flooding your inbox about updating the privacy policy. Um, so if you do business in areas that is affected by this, um, you're going to want to see how to do this. So it's really simple. Again, I'm using the Builderall platform, so if you're a Builderall member, um, you're pretty familiar with how everything works. If you're not, and you're looking for a super simple way, website builder platform to do this with, I recommend Builderall. It is super easy to use. Be honest, it takes a little bit of learning, but once you get down, it's just kind of like compounds, and it gets easier and easier. So there will be a link below. You can check it out. If you're unfamiliar with Builderall, you can try it out for 7 days. You can go to my channel, and I'll leave tutorials that'll show you everything to do with it, so it'll make it easier. But what we're going to do today is we're going to just do a really quick addition to the site for the GDPR configuration to make it compliant with those policies. So what you'll do is, as you saw, I went to the double gears here, and you'll see a little button up here, GDPR configuration. You're just going to click on that, and it will customize your message. Make sure to click it right here, that little box there that says GDPR friendly, and then you can mess with it however you want. So you'll have all these options here to edit the title, the description, the button, the accept button, the deny button, your information button. You can put whatever you want there, info, and then you can change the color however you want. So once you've gotten that all to your liking, you can make it fit the theme of your website or whatever it is. You'll just simply click confirm, and then you're going to come over and click save. And then next step will be to click on save your page. So it's that simple. It was a big deal. People were freaking out, thought it was the end of the world, marketing apocalypse, but that's pretty much how you fix that. So as you can see, it took no more than 30 seconds. Most of this video was just me jabbering about it. So let's go take a look at the website that I just updated, see if it worked. And let's see. Yep, and there you go. Now you are compliant for GDPR. It's that simple. So I hope you got value from that. I hope you see the ease that Builderall provides. And if you want to learn more about Builderall, there will be a tutorial builder that's going to pop up after this video. Just go and click on that. You can learn all you want, and click the link below to access it for free for 7 days, and check out the pricing plans as well. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you real soon.